this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. And it's still your co-illustrator, Dr. Don Omexi from Learn with Your Brains or VBreaker Studios as usual. And today I'm going to show you how to create this dramatic scene kind of effect in Photoshop. Without wasting my time, let's get started. So I want you to import a sky image or any image you will have, and let's practice the tutorial together. So what I want you to do is to come down here, okay, where is label, then let's select solid color, okay, click on that. Now choose any color, it should be red anyway, don't worry about that. I'll choose black for this tutorial sake, okay. Now what I'm going to do is, after this I just need to turn off this, double click, then pick a color from the sky. So take this blue, okay. So now I need to desaturate it. I think this will be okay, but I have a code here I just want you to use for the two. We just 3342 4E. That is the color I just want for this tutorial. Just click that, and all what you need to do is to turn back this on. Now select this layer, the max, then hit on Control or Command I to invert it, and make sure your foreground is set to white. Make sure your brush is selected, and now start painting. Yeah. Okay, and make sure you don't paint the trees. Make sure you do this so quick. Okay. Painting the trees, which is very bad. I just started everything over. So go back. This is too. Let me try to increase my brush to speed. Yeah. Make sure the trees is not affected. This is affected. It's okay. I think this is okay now. All I want you to do is, after this, double click, and this is going to pop up. Okay, what I want you to do is to bring the slider down. Look at the magic images. Okay, look at what is happening right here. So all I want you to do is hit on your option and try to separate this. Now play around it. Okay, so you choose it. Just look at what is happening in the sky. See the magic. And bring this one down. And this is okay. After that, I click on OK. Now just look at what just happened. So this is before and this is after. So you can just double click on this and choose any color you want. Choose how good I just do. So 0 F7 8. This so just see what happens. So this is before and this is after. So this is how you create what is cinematic kind of effect in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay safe and wait for more tutorials upcoming. Okay, take care and enjoy your day. Bye bye.